Have you ever wondered how to make money from home? Enter the world of affiliate marketing, a viable avenue that involves promoting products or services and earning a commission from the sales made. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process of how to engage in affiliate marketing from home. The first step in affiliate marketing is choosing the right affiliate program that suits your interests and capabilities. It's crucial to research and consider factors such as commission rates, product quality, and the program's reputation. After selecting the right program, the next step is creating engaging content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Your audience needs to find value in what you share. Creating compelling, engaging content is crucial, whether that's through blog posts, captivating videos, or dynamic social media posts. Now that you have your content, it's time to share it with the world. Promotion is the key to driving sales in affiliate marketing. To effectively promote your affiliate links, seamlessly integrate them within engaging content. Utilize SEO practices, spread the word through social media, or even consider email marketing. And finally, let's talk about earning your commission. The final and most rewarding step, earning commissions from your affiliate marketing efforts. Every time a sale is made through your promoted affiliate links, you earn a commission. Tracking systems ensure you get your due share. And there you have it, a simple guide to making money from home through affiliate marketing. Let's quickly recap the steps to successful affiliate marketing. First off, you've got to choose the right affiliate program that aligns with your interests. Next, create engaging content that your audience will love. Then, promote those affiliate links within your content and across your platforms. And finally, as the cherry on top, you earn commissions from the sales made through your links. So are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and start earning from home? The opportunity awaits you.